Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you all know that inside this particular channel we used to drop daily analysis on step index and boom and crash strategy. So in today's video I want to show you guys what has happened so far on our boom 150 5-minute time frames, and you can see what we have happened here. We can see that I have a trade that I take at this particular area up to this particular area. So I want to show you inside this particular video how I take this particular trade, so that you guys can also have the same strategy the way we have it here on our chart. So let me show you guys how it happens. As we can see, this is our as we can see here that we have our signal at this particular area. If you watch some of my video I've made before, you will have seen that we have a downtrend level from here. Before this, our trend here moved to this particular area. You can see our trend is going to be somewhere like this, and our take profit is going to be this is going to be our take profit of 1, and we have our take profit of 2 at this particular area. And also currently now we have another uptrend level, which the one that you are seeing here, it first appear on this particular line that you are seeing here, and that's why I could enter this particular trade. So immediately you enter this particular trade, this will be your take profit 1, or unless you know that this particular trend is moving on a uptrend before you can wait for your take profit 2, which is this particular one. And also you can see that the price break it down from this level, it break this level, and that's why our trend again show up here, and we have another confirmation trend here. This is the first confirmation trend from this particular area to this particular area to take our take profit 1, and once it break it over again, we have another opportunity to enter a trade here, and our entry, our stop, our take profit level will be around here. You can see I've already taken my profit, and we can see that the market is going on a downtrend. So let's see how this particular trend is going to move. Is either it go again, break this same level and give us another trend, or it's come down a little bit, just reverse a little bit before taking another uptrend so strong. So that is how this strategy works, and we can see this that it's also appear here. We have our downtrend that appear here on this particular candle, and we can see that it come to this level as our take profit of 1. So between year to year should be your take profit of 1. So if that particular trend does not break this level, then you should be waiting for your take profit 2, which is this particular zone, which is this particular signal here that you are seeing here. So this should be our second take profit of 2. And also I told you guys that this particular arrow that we see here first appear here because this is where the entry is, and we can see what happened here. It appear here and it's go on the uptrend to this level, which is our take profit of 1, and it's also reverse back and break this level. It's break this level, and that's why we have another signal here for another buy zone, and you can see the arrow stay strong on that particular zone, and that our another take profit is going to be when the yellow circle appear again. So that is going to be our current trend. So you can see how this particular strategy work. So this particular strategy work perfect on all boom and crash index. This is boom 1000, this is boom 150 on 5-minute time frames. Imagine how much you will have made with this particular take profit of 1, and another one take profit of 2. You can see that. So you can see up to like 5 signal of this in different pair per day, and that is okay for you. And this particular indicator is not reprint. It works perfectly on all boom and crash index. So, and also I have another perfect training video on how it works better. So all what you can do is to get this particular indicator and make use of it, and also you can also use the same strategy on 30-minute time frames. It works on 30-minute time frames with the same strategy. So what you just need to follow is to follow this your signal indicator and your your trend indicator that you have here. So these are the two indicators that we make use, and we find ourselves in profit daily. So you can get this particular line sets indicator. All what you just need to do is to reach me on my Telegram group, and I'm going to get access to you guys. So this indicator is not for free, it is not for free, but if you need it, if you need the lifetime license, I'm going to provide you the lifetime license. So this indicator is very powerful and it's very smart for you to support your daily trade on trading or synthetic index. And also it also works on currency pair. It also works on currency pair. If you want to use it on currency pair, it works perfect on currency pair. All what you just need to do is to understand how this particular strategy works and how to make use of it in taking trades successfully. That is all what you need. So thanks guys, see you guys in the next video.